Welcome back to Rich in Style. In the past video, we wrapped the front lip, side skirts, and then the rear bumper pieces. So I was gonna throw them on the car, you see how it looks. But I decided to just wait until we put the livery on. And today is the day we're gonna put the livery on, guys. So, we can do all this talking, but let's just get right into it, all right? Let's get it. All right, boys, so first, we gotta weed out. This is the reflective white. This is what's gonna make us glow at night. This is what's gonna pretty much separate this wrap from all the other wraps around, at least in my area. Because everybody over here just does boring. So I'm doing this so that other people could actually see what you can do with your car. But anyways, let's do it! There we go. Now we're done weeding out the white vinyl. Now we still gotta cut the black one because it's gonna be reflective white with black, but I haven't cut out the black yet. I wanna focus on the white first, and then we'll cut out the black and, put it on and all that stuff. All right, boys, so in order to start applying the vinyl, we do have to remove the door handle to be able to apply the vinyl correctly. Don't. Alright guys, so we weeded out the black vinyl. So we're gonna go ahead and install it. That's actually the last thing we gotta do. We kind of have to throw in the side skirts and stuff because we need to apply vinyl on those as well. So we're gonna go ahead and get right to it. Alright guys, so we're pretty much done with the wrap. There's just like a couple more little things that I just gotta take care of, but I just want to know you guys' opinion. What do you think about the rain guards though? Is that something you guys like? If you have the bottom is wide and then you have your little top, you know what I'm saying? Adding the rain guard, it gives it a little bit of body up top. I think we're gonna go with it. And you know, if I feel like if it looks better without it, then I'll take it off. But I think I'm a rock it. So let me just put it on. Alright guys, I know that I shouldn't do this right now because we have our window, it has a crack. So I know I should wait with the banner, but honestly I can't wait. We're gonna banner up today. I just feel like it's just gonna be the completion, you know? Let's get it done. Okay guys, that is all for today. Hit that like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.